Hello and welcome again. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the concept of cell and their addresses. Cell and cell address. Like in last session, we discussed about the concept of column, right? And rows. Column and rows. So here we will discuss about the concept of cell. So what is cell? As you can see, these small boxes. These small boxes are known as cell. These small boxes, what we say, is called as cell. Or we can say wherever the column and the row interact together, it will cross. That position is known as cell address. Cell. Okay, so what is the cell here? When I say any cell, any data, so what is the cell here? This cell is having some kind of address. Every cell is having a cell address. Not a single cell is there without addresses, because these addresses are useful for your formulas and for your data entries. In Excel, wherever you are going to enter, it's only you are going to enter in this cell with their particular addresses. So what is the address? How we can find the address of a particular cell? To find the address of a particular cell, we need to see the interaction point, as said, wherever the cross will happen. Okay, as you can see, this cross is happening at this place. So this is just the cell. Now, for the concept of address, we always have the column name, okay, followed by row number. Column name followed by row number. It means this is column number name F, okay, and the row number 9. So this cell is having an address of F9. This one. F9 is address of this cell. Same as if I click here, it will be C and 4. C4. This is C4. If I click here, it becomes J and 17. J17. If you find difficulty in locating the cell, like if I'm here, then you might have to search here like this in the rows, or you have to go to column, then just click this any cell wherever you want to find the address of a particular cell, select the cell and go to the extreme left top corner. You can see this position. It says O16. O16. Okay. Like if I click here, it says K5. Okay. Now, whenever I'm selecting a single cell, we have this address. But what if I select two cell together? If I'm going to select two cell together, then what will the address of this cell? Or if I'm going to select multiple cell together, okay, like this, then what will the address of this particular cell? So remember, whenever we are selecting one, then the cell address will be the same, K5 I'll say. Okay, if you're selecting two cell together, then the cell address will be the starting cell address. Starting cell address. So what is the starting cell address? If I select these two together, so starting cell is L and it is 6. So it will be L6. Okay, not LM6, not L6M6. We only say one. Same as if I select the multiple say here, so the cell address will be the starting cell address, that is P and 2. P2. The address of this cell will be P2. So whether you are going to select a single cell or you are going to select a multiple cells, okay, the cell address will be the starting cell address, and here you can find it. These addresses are very useful for locating your formulas. So, okay, so if I say where I am now, okay, where I am now, so I am at J17, where I am now, so I am at I4 or J, you can say J4, like that, right? This is how we can locate, because this is very important for using the formulas. All the formulas will be determined only on these addresses. If you miss this address, you will miss the logic. Okay, this is how it plays a very important role, right? So I hope you understand the concept of cell and addresses of a particular cell or multiple cells, right? See you next in next session. Thank you.